Have you ever noticed how the most beautiful bathrooms are rarely the biggest? Instead, they have a quiet way of making you pause, breathe a little deeper, and enjoy the moment. Sometimes that feeling doesn't come from expensive marble or custom cabinetry. It begins with the color surrounding you. The right shade can make a compact bathroom feel brighter, softer, and unexpectedly luxurious, turning an ordinary daily routine into something that feels calm and restorative. Today, we're counting down 10 stunning Sherwin-Williams colors that can transform even the smallest bathroom into a timeless retreat. Each one creates its own mood, from fresh and airy to warmly sophisticated. And as we move closer to our number one pick, you'll discover a color that designers love for its effortless elegance and remarkable ability to make a small space feel beautifully refined.
Number 10.
Fleur de Sel from Sherwin-Williams. We begin with Fleur de Sel, a color that whispers rather than announces itself. It carries the softness of sea mist drifting across a quiet shoreline, creating an atmosphere that feels instantly lighter without ever becoming cold. In a small bathroom, that subtle quality becomes its greatest strength. Imagine morning light filtering through sheer linen curtains, reflecting gently across brushed nickel fixtures and creamy stone countertops. A floating white oak vanity, folded cotton towels, and a simple ceramic vase filled with fresh eucalyptus suddenly feel intentional rather than decorative. Everything appears calmer, cleaner, and more spacious. It's an elegant introduction to quiet luxury, but our next color begins adding a little more warmth, making the room feel even more welcoming. Number 9. Demure from Sherwin-Williams. Demure lives up to its name with graceful confidence. It introduces a delicate hint of color that wraps the room in comfort without overwhelming the space. The result feels personal, inviting, and beautifully balanced. Picture a peaceful evening as warm sconces cast a gentle glow across textured walls. Brass hardware catches the light softly, while natural woven baskets and layered linen towels add depth without clutter. This isn't a bathroom trying to impress guests. It's a sanctuary designed to comfort the people who live there every day. If Fleur de Sel felt fresh and understated, Demure begins telling a richer story, and as we continue, you'll notice the atmosphere becoming even lighter and more expansive. Number 8. Spare White from Sherwin-Williams. Spare White proves that simplicity can feel incredibly luxurious. Rather than demanding attention, it quietly enhances every material around it, allowing wood, stone, and soft fabrics to become the stars of the room. Imagine sunlight spilling across polished porcelain floors, while oversized mirrors gently bounce natural light throughout the space. The room suddenly feels open, uncluttered, and peaceful. Even the smallest bathroom seems to breathe a little easier. This shade pairs beautifully with warm oak cabinetry, matte black accents, or brushed brass fixtures, creating a designer-inspired look that never feels trendy. But if you think light colors can't feel refreshing, the next selection introduces a subtle coastal serenity that's impossible to ignore. Number 7. Tidewater from Sherwin-Williams. Tidewater brings the freshness of ocean air indoors without becoming overly colorful. Its soft blue-green character creates the feeling of opening a window to a quiet coastal morning. Imagine stepping into your bathroom before the rest of the house wakes up. Steam rises gently from a warm shower while pale natural light dances across smooth tile and woven textures. The space feels crisp, clean, and wonderfully restorative. Paired with light wood finishes, creamy stone, and fresh greenery, Tidewater creates a boutique spa atmosphere that feels both uplifting and deeply relaxing. Yet, our next color softens that coastal energy into something even quieter, creating an atmosphere perfect for slow mornings and peaceful evenings. Number 6. Silver Strand from Sherwin-Williams. Silver Strand is effortlessly calming. Its gentle blend of gray, green, and blue creates a sense of balance that feels timeless rather than seasonal. It's the kind of color that quietly invites you to slow down. Picture soft daylight reflecting across honed marble countertops, warm oak shelving, and beautifully folded white towels. A single candle flickers beside a handcrafted ceramic tray, while every surface feels thoughtfully curated instead of overly styled. In smaller bathrooms, Silver Strand creates visual softness that gently expands the room, making every corner feel more relaxed and inviting. As beautiful as this is, the next color introduces a dreamier atmosphere that feels almost weightless. Number 5. Lullaby from Sherwin-Williams. Lullaby feels exactly as its name suggests, a peaceful pause at the beginning or end of the day. Its delicate blue-gray tone wraps the room in quiet comfort, creating an atmosphere that's soothing without ever feeling sleepy. Imagine the gentle glow of early morning filtering across layered linen textures, pale stone flooring, and elegant wall sconces. Every detail feels softened, every reflection calmer, every routine just a little slower. This shade transforms an ordinary bathroom into a place where rushing no longer feels necessary. Instead, it encourages moments of stillness that often disappear in busy homes. But if tranquility could become even brighter, our next choice reveals exactly how. Number 4. Opaline from Sherwin-Williams. Opaline introduces a subtle freshness inspired by nature. Its soft green influence creates a room that feels alive yet remarkably peaceful, like sunlight filtering through leaves outside a quiet countryside retreat. Picture handmade pottery resting beside polished quartz, woven baskets tucked beneath a floating vanity, and soft white linens gently catching afternoon light. Every material feels connected, creating effortless harmony throughout the room. Rather than making a bold statement, Opaline creates emotional comfort through gentle balance. It's sophisticated without trying too hard, making even compact bathrooms feel beautifully composed. And now we move into our top 3, where timeless elegance becomes even more noticeable. Number 3. Snowbound from Sherwin-Williams. Snowbound offers a fresh interpretation of white that feels clean while remaining wonderfully welcoming. It creates brightness without harshness, giving smaller bathrooms an airy openness that feels naturally luxurious. Imagine architectural lighting softly illuminating smooth walls, while warm wood cabinetry and creamy travertine flooring introduce just enough warmth to keep everything inviting. The contrast feels refined rather than dramatic. This is the kind of bathroom that resembles a carefully designed boutique hotel, simple, uncluttered, and quietly sophisticated. If Snowbound celebrates brightness, our runner-up introduces a softer, more layered sense of elegance that many designers continue returning to year after year. Number 2. Drift of Mist from Sherwin-Williams. Drift of mist is one of those rare colors that seems to make every surface look more beautiful. Its gentle warmth softens natural light, creating an atmosphere that feels comforting from morning until evening. Picture brushed brass fixtures glowing beneath warm lighting, textured plaster walls meeting pale oak cabinetry, and oversized mirrors reflecting soft daylight throughout the room. The entire space feels larger, calmer, and remarkably welcoming. What makes Drift of Mist so special is its quiet versatility. It doesn't compete with beautiful finishes, it allows them to shine while surrounding them with understated elegance. Still, one final color creates an emotional warmth that's simply unforgettable. Number 1. Greek Villa from Sherwin-Williams. Greek Villa earns our number 1 spot because it does something extraordinary. Rather than simply making a bathroom look brighter, it transforms how the space feels. Imagine stepping inside after a long day. Warm evening light glows gently across creamy walls, natural limestone, brushed brass, and beautifully layered linen towels. A vase of fresh eucalyptus rests beside the sink, while soft architectural lighting creates a peaceful atmosphere that feels more like a private luxury retreat than an everyday bathroom. Even the smallest room feels open, welcoming, and deeply comforting. There's no unnecessary drama, only timeless elegance that never goes out of style. Greek Villa reminds us that true luxury isn't about having more space, it's about creating a home that makes every ordinary moment feel beautifully intentional. Which of these beautiful Sherwin-Williams colors feels most like home to you? I'd love to hear your favorite in the comments below, or let us know which shade you've already used in your own bathroom. If you enjoyed today's cozy design inspiration, be sure to explore our next video where we'll share more timeless paint colors and elegant decorating ideas to help every room in your home feel warm, peaceful, and effortlessly luxurious. Until next time, thank you for spending these quiet moments with us. And may your home always be a place that welcomes you with comfort, beauty, and calm.